Hello, and thank you for joining us on Expert Talk on News 25. I'm Lori Buhring, alongside our guest for this segment, Jody Entrekin. Jody, thank you so much for joining us today on this segment.
You're welcome. Thank you for having me.
Of course. Well, Jody, you're the owner of Entrekin Insurance Services out of D'Iberville. Tell me a little bit about how long you've been in insurance, first of all.
Roughly right at 20 years total in the insurance business.
And let's talk a little bit about auto insurance. What kind of coverage would I need and just the average driver out there?
Average driver, by state law, we have to have what's called liability coverage, which is 25, 50, 25. However, that does not cover anything for damages to your vehicle. It's only for liability only.
And talk about full coverage and why that's needed.
Okay, that's a great question. There's no true definition of full coverage, but why it's needed is for you to have comprehensive as well as collision. That way your property or your vehicle also gets repaired if you're in a fault of an accident.
Okay. And there are a lot of numbers that go into auto insurance, and I'm not good at numbers, but will you break them down for us so we know what they all mean?
Absolutely. It's really a lot easier than people think it is. You just need someone to explain it. First two numbers go hand in hand, 25,000 and 50,000. That's the max that it will pay for any one person involved in a claim. And then the 50,000 is the max for the claim itself. So you can have two or more people. And then that third number of 25,000, that's for the property. So that's it. Once the 25,000 is reached, you're out of coverage.
All right, sounds good. Well, thank you so much, Jody, for joining us on Expert Talk. We appreciate your knowledge, especially on auto insurance, because we all know we need that.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and thank you for joining us on News 25's Expert Talk.